Hi, welcome to my channel. This channel is against the science. Many things from science is wrong. So theoretical science, not like in crazy manner. Okay, I'm saying like we can go to the stars, and the Big Bang is false, and astronomy, physics, in special, is false. So in this video, I want to talk a little bit about uranium, atomic bombs, and production of the electricity with uranium. Okay, so two things they are saying about fusion and fission. They are both wrong. I believe I mean I'm telling you that they are wrong. Okay, not that I believe, I know. Okay, so if you know, I cut from some videos and insert into my video and I comment. So this is the way I make the videos. So watch about uranium extraction, how they extract uranium from America, from some channel I took. So this is the way I make the videos. Watch.
In the United States, currently, the majority of uranium mining is conducted using in situ mining. In situ mining is a process where the uranium is leached in place in situ. Water wells are drilled into the uranium deposit and the groundwater is circulated. Groundwater is circulated with oxygen. When oxygen is added to the water, it literally rusts the rock. When you rust a nail, the nail turns from silver or gray to a rusty red color. When you have uranium ore and you rust it, the rock turns from a gray to a yellowish color. That yellow oxidized uranium is soluble and it's brought to the surface, and it's extracted from the water through a treatment process.
After you watch that, this guy explains to you how the uranium is extracted, okay, from the mountains. So with some water, they flood and they, okay, so like he is explaining to you how it is done. There are many processes. Uranium is like if you have a piece of lead, like that stuff. Okay, so what I want to tell you is that you see you are telling two lies. If I'm against science, two lies that I'm telling you. Fission and fusion, both of them are lies, do not exist. One of them says that from hydrogen, this little guy, you can obtain all the Mendeleev, and nobody proved this, and they only say like this. In the first manner, you cannot make from water gold or silver or something like this. And another one is false. Okay, the sun does not do this. They are lying that the sun does this. It fuses hydrogen. They do not know how this stuff is light. So this kind of science I'm against, not crazy science. Okay, you cannot make from hydrogen copper, iron, or and the second thing, so about uranium, I must speak few videos about this. So I reduce my videos of 10 minutes, let's say. So uranium, they say that it makes fusion from inside somehow. So you see the uranium radiates something. So radiation or radioactivity, Marie Curie said this, like from radio. The radio was invented. Radio is emission of some waves of light, okay? So she said, like exactly like radio. Radiation is like radio waves. Okay, so what are radio waves? There are is light. I've told you that electricity is light. It is not the electron or things like this. So I'm telling you that there is a background microwave radiation. How you are saying there is a multiple field made from radiation and light energies, like in a various types of frequencies. And this uranium capture this field is not from inside. This is what I want to tell you, okay? So it's not fusion or fusing anything. It's not from inside. You have a piece of something like this, and it captures the light field that it is. So it's not emission from inside. It's from the object, but as it's capturing, like this old phone is capturing waves. light waves and it converts and you can hear it, but it's not producing, but it's producing when it emits them. Okay, in the same manner the uranium has it makes a composite molecular function with some other materials, like in 7 tones. And they are making, like they put in this stuff like this. So in this they are well damp here and put this molecular uranium, and this is inserted in water. And there are 2 ways. You electric shock this tube with electricity, and when it multiplies, you see the source. So I'm telling you that the uranium not producing by itself. So there is some emissions, even in a pure manner. You take in empty space, void between the planets, because there is some energy also. So the uranium captures this energy and emits it. Okay. So if you want to understand, it's not fusing, it's not making anything. So light has 7 tones, like these chords, like this. Okay. And if you want to make better uranium to do what it does, you make a molecular structure to capture, like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Okay, the light is similar tones, it's 7 tones, like a structure, because I've told you in my previous video the electricity does not exist, it is light. Okay, so uranium makes a molecule like it's H2O. The water also has a 7-tone molecules, it responds with water and with light. That's why you can in the microwave you can heat up water basically on 7 tones with the microwaves. Okay, so uranium captures this, making this molecular compound. You put it exactly like this in some tubes, you electroshock them, introducing water, it produces thermal energy. So it is not fusing, and we do not know at this hour how the atoms look from inside. The model with atom with a nuclear structure, like and electrons that are spinning like this, is false. Okay, they propose this, and all the planet remains imbeciles on on how many years they want to. So it is not from inside, like there's something inside the matter. Like, okay, you do not believe me, you take some iron like this and you make fusion. This is the only materials that they do like this, because they are absorbing, emitting light. That's why uranium, plutonium, few other that they discover since Marie Curie, name it radioactive. It's active radio waves. So if you are scared by this, okay, so you cannot do this with this silver, but I will tell you that you can do with all metals with this not silver, okay, like inoxidable iron. So this is the way I make my videos. If you will follow me, you will understand how the nuclear power plants work in a short series about uranium, and how the atomic bombs work, and how the atomic submarines work. If you watch this series, and I explain to you what the uranium really does. Okay, this is my first video. This is the way I make my videos. I will tell you that it does something like similar on short now, like a welding machine, like an inverter. It does uranium. Okay, and you can do what uranium does. I will tell you this, I will show to you with all the metals. You can do what uranium does, but not fusing or exploding. With electricity you can make with and without electricity. With uranium it's special in this case. So goodbye, God bless. This is the way I make my videos. You can go to the stars are close and small. They are lying to you. This science is wrong. Physics, especially chemistry, is wrong. They are tricking all the planets, these stupid professors. You can go to the stars. Okay, so this is about uranium. Follow me in my next videos, you find out many things about uranium. Goodbye, God bless.